Hey Jimmy, what is the time now? Want to change the Siri name on your iPhone like this? Follow the steps below. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under Accessibility, scroll to the Speech section and click on Vocal Shortcuts. Next, tap on Set up Vocal Shortcut. At the bottom, click on Continue. You'll now be asked to choose an action. Scroll down and select Siri. Here's the fun part. You can enter any custom name or phrase you want to use to wake Siri. For example, type something like "Hey Jimmy" or any phrase you prefer. After entering your custom name, tap Enter. Now, train the shortcut by saying your chosen phrase 3 times clearly.
Hey Jimmy! Hey Jimmy! Hey Jimmy!
Once the training is complete, at the bottom, tap on Continue again, and you're done. From now on, whenever you say your custom phrase,
Hey Jimmy!
Siri will activate instantly, and that's it. For more iPhone tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe.